In this video, we are going to create the add an address page. Since it's going to be just bunch of input fields, I've uploaded a file in the lecture. Go ahead and download that file and open it up. So open it up and you want to open this address.view. And the next thing you want to do is you want to open up client folder and go to pages and create a new folder and give it a name address. This folder will have two files. One is for list of addresses page and the other one is to create a new address page. It is pretty similar like the admin part where you add the product and then there is a list of products page. So you want to create a new file under this folder and give it a name add.view. I have left a lot of notes to navigate between different input fields. So security code, delivery instruction, phone number, and etc. Now let's add the model data and map it to the input fields. So let's go down and open a script tag, and then here you want to type export default, and then here data, and then return country, and then full name, street address 1, copy this, street address 2, city, state, zip code, phone number, delivery instruction, security code. Once we have done with our model, we need to map this to the corresponding input field. So let's go and go to country, and then this will be select, will be here, v model, and then country, full name here. Let's go to input and then v model, make sure the name is the same, full name, and then in here as well equals to street address 1 because there are two, so it's going to be v model equals to street address 2, then another v model which will be city, and then state, and then zip code, v model, phone number, and then delivery instruction will be in text area, so v model equals to delivery instructions, and then we have security code, and I think that's about it. The rest is just dummy data. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to create a method after data, and we name it async on at address, and we can just copy this entire thing, paste it here, but we need to do let data equals to, save it, and then we need to make this to this country, then this full name, so on and so forth, full name, street address, just copy this, paste it here, change to 2, oops, this will be city, this will be state, this will be zip code, phone number, it will be delivery instructions, and finally this will be security code. And then finally you want to do Axios call let response, and it's better if we do try and catch at the start. We need to wrap this entire thing just in case if we forgot to add anything here, it might return an error, so just to be safe it's better we put it inside try and catch, then catch, and then console log dot error, and then here we want to do let response equals to await this Axios post API addresses. I think we pass in the data, and then if a response success, then we want to do this router dot push. We want to push to address page. We haven't created a page yet, so we just want to make it to home first. So before we want to test this API, or to be specific, this entire page, we need to do one more Axios call, but it's going to be a little bit different. So let's do that in the next video. But I just want to show you how it looks like. So let's go to Chrome and let's go to address and then /add. So this is the address page. It's pretty much the same as the when you add a product as an admin. And in the next video, as I said, that we're going to do another Axios call. So let's learn that in the next video.